Okay, we've got, as question one, some basic differentiations. The first one, we're differentiating cost 3x, so it's differentiating like differentiating costs x, but you need to remember how the 3 works. This one is very, very similar, but this x over 3, okay, get used to the fact that if you've got a fraction like that, you need to think that x over 3 is something times x, work out what goes there, and then it's like the first one. Now part C, okay, don't rush into thinking you need to use the chain rule or the quotient rule for something like this. First of all, split it into a fraction with numbers in it times a fraction with an e to the x on the bottom. And then your 1 over e to the x, you can express that as a power of e. So e to what power will equal 1 over e to the x. So you're going to turn this into a fraction, okay, times e to some power. And when it looks like that, you're just going to be able to use your rule for differentiating powers of e. Okay, and the final one is just testing your knowledge of the rule for differentiating a log. You need to be able to deal with what's inside the log correctly. And then we've just got a half in front. Now, if you can differentiate log of 3x, then differentiating a half log of 3x, this half is just a constant multiple that is preserved throughout the differentiation. Okay, so I hope that gives you some tips you can use on those.